Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your graphics card on your PC, basically removing your graphics card drivers. Now first, before you start with anything, ensure that your PC is not powered on and the power is disconnected from the wall, okay? Disconnect the monitor also from the graphics card and then remove the computer side panel, as you can see right here, to get access to the internal components of the PC. Then you need to identify the video card, okay? Then you go ahead and identify it, and then you can unplug any power cables connected to the video card. And if you have a dual graphics card setup, remember to remove the SLI bridge. Remove that first, as you can see there in the picture, and then unscrew the video card from the case. This can be anywhere from 1 to 3 screws, depending on how big your video card is. Okay, and while holding the video card, right, by gripping the middle carefully, press down on the security lock hatch on the PCI slot to release the video card from the lock. Okay, and it's important to not apply too much force, as this may break the latch. Some latches flip out, while others need to be pushed down and differ by manufacturer and model, and it should unlock easily, and the right side of the video card should pop out slightly once released. Now, while holding the video card, carefully pull it away from the motherboard, and keep in mind that the card may be a little bit heavier than expected, but it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you in the next one.